Okay, so this is a pretty cool little space right here. Let's see, this is called the Vintage Cafe. Let's go check out the room. Cafe. So you can sit outside on the sidewalks. There's also a park over there, and we're gonna walk down this street and see what's around here. It's kind of a photogenic building right there too. And then this one we can walk through and see how these things are kind of. They're gonna move it this way. Get around. So okay. Another slice of Hanoi. This is a fairly quiet street. Looks like people can live up in the alleys too. It's like kind of a condo or something like that. Condo apartments, I guess they so we're gonna try to walk through here. Let's see. I guess I'm gonna try to get across here so I can walk on the sidewalk over there. So you have to do this very carefully. All right.
Toma cuidado la voz